Hey guys, so I didn't do a video yesterday installing these because it was literally a monsoon out here. I was soaking wet. I am up at our beach property and not at home, so I didn't have a good way to do it besides just getting wet. So anyhow, I wanted to show you at least them installed. I'll show you a picture of the old lights I had and how they work. They work pretty good. I do need to still adjust them. Alright, so you can see headlights on. And I'll show you with just the running light. You can hear how wet it was because my pulleys and stuff still have water all over them. That's why you're hearing, if you can hear that on the video, you can hear the belt squeaking, but it doesn't normally do that. It was really bad yesterday. Not worth taking the phone out to do. Show you how the blinkers work. See, it switches over from the white to the orange blinker. Looks good. Anyhow, they were essentially plug and play. So literally just unplug your old lights, plug them in, good to go. I had I bought this truck used, and they had put in some different lights at some point, and so I had to actually do some wiring, unfortunately, because the plugs had been cut off. But they look good. I'm happy with them. I think you would be too. Thanks for watching.